Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today, I am going to teach you English. In English, today we will learn sound of vowel O. Sound of vowel O. So, let's we start. So, you have to read with me. D O G dog, D-O-G, dog. P-O-T, pot, P-O-T, pot. F-O-X, fox, F-O-X, fox. B-O-X, box, B-O-X, box. L-O-G, log, L-O-G, log. K-O-T, cot, C-O-T, cot. Now, we will read some words of vowel U, sound of vowel U. So, let's we start. G, A, N, gun, G, U, N, gun. S, A, N, sun, S, U, N, sun. T, A, B, tub, T, U, B, tub. J, A, G, jug, J, U, G, jug. H, A, T, hut, H, U, T, hut. K, A, P, cup, C, U, P, cup. Children, you have to learn all these words.